Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
It is typically a pungent sauce, with the depth of garlic flavor determined by the amount of garlic used. The garlic is typically crushed or finely diced. Simple garlic sauce is composed of garlic and another ingredient to suspend the tuber via emulsion, such as oil, butter or mayonnaise.
Let's help you make your mark.
Combine chicken broth, brown sugar, honey, soy sauce, garlic, and ginger in a saucepan over medium heat. Bring to a gentle boil. Reduce heat and simmer sauce, stirring often, until flavors combine, about 5 minutes. Whisk water and cornstarch together in a small bowl.
Let's help you make your mark.
Is garlic mayo the same as garlic sauce? Don't shops understand? I want garlic sauce, not garlic mayo. Yes, they're different. And the consensus was that garlic sauce can be different to garlic mayo. It's usually not as thick. 27 July 2015.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.